Hey girl, hey, this is Tabitha here with the Glam Sweet Beauty Co. Coming here with a video today to show you how to use my newly launched products. Yay! From Jacqueline Elaine Beauty Co. that I created in honor of my mom. So let's dive right on in. First, we're going to talk about the Beauty Blender. Isn't she lovely? All right, so this is the Beauty Blender Dry. When you get ready to use it, you want to make sure she's damp. It's going to look like this. She needs to be damp. That way it's going to help with your blendability on your face. There is an art to dampening your Beauty Blender. You want to saturate it in water. Make sure you squeeze in it so water gets all through it. Then it's going to puff out. Make sure you squeeze out all the water. You're not finished. Then take a towel or paper towel, wrap it around your Beauty Blender and squeeze again. You want to make sure you have all the water. You should not be able to squeeze it and water is still dripping out. If you do, that can mess up your application. For the ladies who use their Beauty Blender to blend out their foundation, this will help to give you that seamless, flawless, natural base. And of course, if you like full coverage, you can build that up too. But for me, I'm gonna show you how I like to use mine. Okay, so now I have put foundation on this side of my face with my brush like I like to do. So I'm gonna show you how I like to use my Beauty Blender. I'm gonna take my concealer. All right, so now I got my concealer on all the way in the areas where I would put it if I'm doing like a full makeup look. So I'm gonna take my puff, my Beauty Blender, excuse me, and start to blending. So you wanna make sure you are actually pouncing, tapping. You don't wanna drag it. So I'm gonna take and lightly pouncing on my face, blending everything out just like that. Now that I have everything all blended out for the most part, now there's another way that I also can use my Beauty Blender by using the Beauty Blender to set my under eye after I put concealer, or we use the puff. So I'm going to show you these two different ways. All right, the first way to set my under eye with my damp puff, and I'm going to dip it into my setting powder. Then I'm going to take and kind of dab it on the back of my hand because I don't want too much. And then I'm going to go under my eye and press in the setting powder. I'm also going to set my forehead because I did put concealer there, down my nose, and my chin area. The other way to set is using the makeup puff. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my setting powder. I'm going to dip my puff into the setting powder. I'm going to also get a little bit of the excess off of the puff. And then I'm going to take and gently pat it under my eye to set my concealer, same way down the center of my nose, forehead, wherever you put your concealer at. Another way of using the puff is also using it with a pressed powder. You can also take this puff, press it into your pressed powder, and also use it on your face. Now I have shown you a few ways where you can use my Velvet Skin Blender or my Perfect Press Puff. So I hope this video helps you out and helps you to see how you can actually use these to enhance your everyday makeup routine. Thank you for watching. Now let me go even my face out. Bye.